Hello. I'm outside, out in the rain, up on this hill that I thought I could come up here and give everyone a nice listen to the sound of the rain, because it's sort of away from the traffic. But it's really loud up here. There is rain falling, and there's also drills drilling, and just over there, towards the bottom of the hill. But that's fine, because it's who I am. It's part of who I have become. The drills drilling, and I'm living in a city, and it's loud, and there's a buzz, the city buzz. And I want to sit in quiet and listen to the rain, but at the moment there's drills and there are cars and machines, and I accept that and I embrace that. I do enjoy getting wet though. That's nice. To the river. So, this is where I like to come just to sit. Sometimes I come down here and do some writing, but I really enjoy laying sort of in the ground like this, because it's quite wet, and I wasn't expecting to come and roll around in the dirt, but so let us enjoy the river.